I am back at it again with another video. I know back last year I was doing a little bit of credit card related stuff, which like the unboxing on the business gold card and stuff, but this is something totally different, which I'm going to be focusing on this more a little bit, on finance and stuff. My wife and I are planning on going back to work and stuff with Uber and a local restaurant. We plan to like do like some uploads of like a playlist of us doing Uber called the Uber couple. My wife is over there drawing. I'm here to unbox this card. It's actually more of an influencer card than really than anything. They were very generous with the limit, which was like 5,500, which is very similar to my other cards, but there we go. Wow, it's pretty fancy. Dang. Pretty fancy for a credit card unboxing. Kind of like my platinum card. Fancy it was. Okay, we have something right here. A little K sign for Karat. That's what the card is, by the way. A little welcome package. A little welcome things. Welcome to your Karat card. Your card just got better. FICO credit score building, travel benefits, protection, self-protection. That's nice. I don't need to worry about these benefits right now. Whoa, this card feels heavy. Okay, let's go into my kitchen then. My mom's holding the camera, so yeah. Hold it. That's pretty heavy. Hope it didn't scratch the thing. Oh boy.
Sure.
Anyways, yeah. That's about it. Besides from this Karat card unboxing, which is a very good card, funnily enough. There's me holding my AMS gold, but all right. I'll put the link in my bio. Bye.